Makita created a new class in cordless with 18 volts LXT Sub-Compact tools. Makita Sub-Compact gives users 12 volts handling with 18 volts performance and compatibility with the world's largest 18 volts cordless tool system. The CX401SYB is a combo kit with 4 18 volts sub-compact solutions for cutting, drilling, driving, and fastening. The kit includes an ultra-compact 2-speed brushless driver drill with 2 speed settings that weigh only 2.8 pounds, and a variable speed brushless impact driver with 2 speed settings that weigh only 2.6 pounds. For more efficient fastening, the impact driver features assist mode, a mode which helps eliminate screw cam out and cross-threading by driving at low speed until tightening begins. The kit also includes an 18 volts LXT brushless 6.5 inches circular saw. The circular saw's Makita-built brushless motor delivers 5,000 RPM for faster cutting and ripping. A high luminance 4 LED. The flashlight is also included and provides 160 lumens of light. The kit includes two 18 volts LXT Compact 1.5 Ah batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. It's part of Makita's expanding 18 volts LXT system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18 volts lithium-ion batteries. Makita 18 volts LXT batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real-time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18 volts LXT and Compact Lithium-Ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Hammer driver drill weighs only 2.8 pounds. With battery for reduced operator fatigue. Number 2. Compact and ergonomic design at only 6 15/16 inches long. Number 3. Mechanical variable 2-speed transmission, 0 to 500 and 0 to 1700 RPM. 0 to 7,500 and 0 to 25,500 BPM, for a wide range of drilling, fastening and hammer drilling applications. Number 4. BL Brushless Motor delivers 350 in-lbs of max torque. Number 5. Impact driver weighs only 2.6 pounds. With battery for reduced operator fatigue. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.